Zoom do. Now I'll show you how to make the Shadow Puppet Theater. You'll need a cardboard box, at least as big as your shadow puppet, but much bigger if you want to put on a show with a lot of puppets in it, and white tissue paper. First, take the cardboard box and cut off an entire side, like this. Then cover that side with white tissue paper. I already have one of the sides taped on, so I'll just lift it up, keep it up there, and tape it around the edges. Here we go. You want to put it on nice and tight and smooth so that it will work and it won't be bubbly. Now for the sides, I'll just make a square and push down the triangle. Tape that. Do the same thing to the bottom. This is fun. It's like wrapping a present. I love wrapping presents. And then put one in the middle. Oops, the bottom fell. Do the bigger piece of tape. It's a little clumped up, but it will work. And then do the same thing to the other side. And then put that on, put it on the bottom. And do one down the side. Next, I'm going to put a slot in the box, 4 inches wide, near the middle, on the side of the box that is opposite the side that you just cut out from. So they're right, if you look through one, it's facing the other. And now that we have our theater, we're ready to perform The Tortoise and the Hare, a shadow puppet play written by the Zoomers, but inspired by an Aesop's fable. Let's watch.